In this part, we are going to create these icons to pop up the menus, but we are not just use that vertical icon. We have to pop up the menu, so we have to create our own custom vertical, custom raw vertical.js. And if you look at this material UI documentation, inside this menu, you can see it has an example. So we can just copy this and paste to our project, and then we just save it, and then we back to the sidebar, and then we import this custom more vertical. So we go to here and type custom vertical more. Now if you look at this website, you can see it has not defined. So we have to import by ourselves. So we go to the top and then we import the custom more vertical from custom more vertical. Now we can see when we click on this, it pop up the logout menus, but the direction has a little bit difference, and we should not use this as the icon. So we have to back to our icon button and search, and then we search more, and then we can see this one, and then we copy this and go to our custom vertical components. And instead of using this dashboard, we replace this with the icon. So we paste this and we copy this and back to here. Now we can see we have this icon, and we should use the icon buttons. So we type icon button, and then we also change this to icon button. And we can remove this, and then we also remove all of this and save it. And we can see the button is in the next line. This is because we use the div here, so we have to use react fragment rather than the div, so we delete this one. And now you can see the more vertical icon is on the right side rather than in the next line. So now we are going to correct this direction. So if you look at the Vue WhatsApp, you can see it should be in these directions. So we have to change the direction of the menus. So now we go back to our custom vertical, and at the here, you can set the options. And if you look at the pop-up playground, you can see we also has this testing playground. And now we can copy this. And because we want to start from the bottom right, and then the menu, we want to start from the top right, so we paste to here, we click here. Now this should be the same direction as the Vue WhatsApp. You can see this is start from the perspective of the icon, this is the bottom right, and from the perspective of the menu, this is the top right. So we copy this and paste to our project and save it. Now if you back to here, you can see the direction is correct now, and now we can change this menu. And now we back to here, there should be 7 icons, 7 menus items, so we need to add 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we have to change this to new group, create a room, and profile, keeping the same, and archive, and start, and this is settings. Now we can see we all has these menu items, and you can see there's a great light gray colors when we hover over the menu. And now you can see which is the same as the Vue WhatsApp.